3.
I would like to introduce a couple here in the Philippines, Pastor Noni and his wife, Ate Cleofe, who are both eager to move to Cambodia. I will let them explain what has been happening in their lives and what they are thinking.
After my recovery from COVID, I took it that this is already a second life for me. So I want to use this life for God and His ministry. After the missionary trip in November, God showed me that in Cambodia, there is a great need for workers. Like what is stated in Matthew chapter 9, verse 36 to 38. They were harassed and helpless, like sheep without shepherd. As a pastor and a house parent before, I felt that the burden and compassion of Christ for the people there. I remember Isaiah when God asked in Isaiah chapter 6 verse 8, "Then I heard the voice of the Lord saying, Whom shall I send? And who will go for us? And I said, Here I am. I sent me." So that became my response. I am willing to be used by the Lord in Cambodia.
Okay, as for me, Cambodia is an answer to my prayer because prior to this, I had been considering what to do after retirement. And so I wanted to give my life as long as I have breath. I want to be used by the Lord. So that's one reason. And another reason is the laborers in Cambodia are so few compared here in the Philippines. Here in the Philippines, we have 2 to 3 churches in a community. While in Cambodia, there is a very, very few church there. And so people in Cambodia need workers.
What will you do in Cambodia?
Okay, we can help in the endeavor of the pastors of a holistic ministry to be able to reach out to the people there. While I help in the school in teaching English, Pastor Noni will be working with the local pastors as support.
So I want to introduce to them Jesus Christ, who give me the assurance of salvation, who give me the genuine love, and I want to them to know Christ because I believe that the real fulfillment of life is to know Christ.
Yes, I have known Pastor Noni and Ate Cleope for almost 30 years now. And I would say they are highly qualified because Pastor Noni has a good experience in orphanage. He is a house parent there. Actually, he is also a pastor for 16 years. And I would say Ate Cleope is highly qualified also, not being an ordinary teacher. God promoted her as a principal one. Then she decided to make a full-time job after his retirement this coming year.
You just heard Pastor Jojo recommend Pastor Noni and his wife Cleofe for ministry. You've heard how God is leading both of them to go to the unreached country of Cambodia. These qualified workers are ready to go, and now we're asking you to join us in prayer, asking the Lord for finances to make their ministry possible. For more information, you can contact me at mikeRbergen@gmail.com. Thank you.